We're off. 20 flat left and flat right, keep in. Left 6, tightens, keep in, 80. Caution, square right, small cut and flat right, 150. Left 5, 200. Caution, brake right 3 into left 2 at junction 30. Left 5, short and bump. Into brake right 5, keep in over crest into hairpin left, don't cut, 100. Left 4, short 50. Left 4, short. And left 3, keeping into right 4, short. And left 3 into right 4, keep in at junction. And left 3. Into right 4, tightens, hairpin right widens, 30. Flat left, keep into right 4 and left 6, short. Hard brake for hairpin left, don't cut, 30. Right 4, 30. Three, 2, 1, go! Left 5 tightens. And right 5. And left 5 narrows over crest into left right 4. And left 2 cut into right 4 tightens. Right 5 narrows. And right 5 short, tightens 3, definitely don't cut, keep in. Into left 6, 30, left 3, keep in, don't cut, and right 2. And left 3 tightens and right 3 short. And left 3 short into right 3. And flat left and right 6 tightens 3 short, very narrow. Into left 5 and right 6. Into left 3 short, into right 4, into left 4 narrows. And left 5, 30. Right 5 brake for hairpin left, 30. Flat right long, tightens 3, rock in. Into left 3 short, into right 5, don't cut. 2, 1, let's go. Flat right 30, right 4 into left 5, into right 5. Into left 3 medium, tightens, into right 5, into left 4, tightens. Hey, I don't have notes for this bit. into right 4, tightens 3, medium, 50. Left 3 medium tightens and right 3 medium, don't cut, and left 2 over crest, 40. Okay, let's carry on. Right 4 opens and tightens short into left 3, 30. Right 2 short into left 3 and right 4 opens, medium, 30. Left 2 and right 3 into left 4. Into right 5, into left 4, into Kent.